All right, everyone. So now we are back in with test number 2. This is the watch update for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic number 2 and charge test number 2. So I just put it back on the charger because it just hit 10%. And you can see the time is 1:25. So this time I would have to say the watch got me about a day and a half worth of usage, and that's not good, but that's better than my first initial charge. So it does seem like the battery life is getting better. Now, as with these charge test videos, I'll put up in post how long the watch took to charge, and I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Also, I'm loving that third-party watch band too, but I got some other watch bands I want to take a look at as well. So I might wrap up this review a little bit early so we can move on to the next watch band. All right, that's enough yapping. Have a good one, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one. We're out of here. Peace.